I'm Charlotte. I study Computational Finance here at UCL. It basically lies at the intersection of financial modelling, data analysis and machine learning. I have a background in actuarial mathematics and I worked as an actuary for 2 years after that before deciding I wanted something a little bit more dynamic and at the forefront of decision making. From day one, really, it's felt quite applied, especially coming from a more theoretical background. So in modules such as algorithmic trading, we had the chance to develop our own strategies. I chose to use co-integrated pairs trading and breakout strategy, and then that was back-tested and we evaluated our performance over transaction costs, which is interesting. But also in our numerical methods module, we had the chance to look at numerical methods that model derivative pricing and risk analysis too, which was really interesting. The cohort is incredibly diverse and people from all over the world with different backgrounds such as maths, economics, software engineering, computer science. It genuinely makes you better working with those other people because it really changes the way you think about a problem from more theoretical to applied. And it really left our group project knowing a lot more on the implementation side rather than just the theoretical side. You can have a great idea in your head and be able to justify it, but to actually put that into a working system is another ball game. It really pushes you to be better. A standout project to me was our blockchain technologies project, where we analysed the longevity of forks as a remediation tool for re-entrancy attacks. We measured the financial aftermath and found that there was a fundamental trade-off, that intervening works in the short term, but it undermines the whole point of a blockchain. And we actually liked this project so much we decided to put it out there in a Medium article. And the great thing actually about working on this project is the lecturer was super interested in what we were doing. Having somebody who's really interested in what you're doing makes it even more enjoyable. I found one of the most enjoyable things working in a group to be the intellectual debate between the group members, and that you can start out with totally opposing opinions and you can also come full circle and still have those opposing opinions, but maybe you've learned something and a few branches to your trunk, let's say, on the way as well. It's equipped me with real practical knowledge and I feel way more able to tackle real world problems now and add value to the workplace. I found the UCL computer science community to be exceptionally driven, but there's a real collaborative culture here as well that I didn't fully expect. Everybody's willing to help you out, and I think that also feeds into the group work as well. Everybody in that group is trying to maximise their part to get the best grade possible. So I never felt like anybody in the group was a weak link. Everybody was actually making each other stronger.